beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe down below, and also hit on that notification bell, guys, so you can be notified whenever I upload videos. So in today's video, guys, I have another mask. I did use this mask once, and it's been about, I say, a couple of weeks ago, and I wanted to share with you guys. And I picked it up at my local beauty supply store, and it is by Ruby Kisses. It is the gold peel-off mask. It tightens and firms, lifts, and detoxifies. So you guys, starting applying the mask to my face, but I thought I was recording, my camera had cut off, so here I'm applying it to the other side. And it said to apply a even layer to clean dry skin and to avoid the eyebrow, hairline, and lips. Leave on for at least 20 to 25 minutes or until completely dry, and then gently peel off the mask from the outer edges. And then it says just rinse your face thoroughly with warm water, and follow up, I guess, with a moisturizer of your choice. And you can use this mask 1 to 3 times a week as needed. And like I mentioned before, it claims to firm, lift, and detoxifies your face. So here I'm constantly applying it to my, making sure that I get a thicker layer, because I'm thinking it said to make sure that apply a thick, even layer to clean dry skin and to avoid the eyebrows, hairlines, and the lips. And if you haven't noticed, I'm using the Henniker, the brush that I used when I shared in my last video on the Henniker. No, it wasn't my last video. It was the next to the last video. I shared with you guys the Henniker all-in-one facial treatment, and this brush came with that kit. So I'm reusing this brush to apply this hair 24 karat gold peel-off mask. So guys, I'm trying to really work with it. It's a little bit thick. It's okay. It's good, but I think I'm trying to go back over the parts that I think I didn't apply enough. So here is what it's looking like now, and now I'm gonna continue applying it to my neck area and down on the I guess they call it what, decollegate. Trying to make sure that I get that area as well. So here I'm done, and I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry, and I'll be right back, you guys. So now it's dry, and I let it dry for about, it said 20 to 25 minutes. It might have been about 30 to 35 minutes with me. So just to make sure that it was thoroughly dry, and I can barely move my face. So now I'm gonna start lifting it from the neck area so that I can peel it that away. And when I tell you guys, it do hurt. It's a little painful, but not too painful. It's bearable. You can, because I got a high pain tolerance, so it didn't really bother me that much, but you can feel it. I just want you to see, guys, look at that side. It just look real bright. look real clean. I'm not quite sure if it's getting it lifting or whatever, but we'll see. And on next time I'll share a mask. I'm just going to put it on one side of my face so you guys can see the difference. Look how bright my skin looks. So I went ahead and rinsed my face with warm water, and I'm just patting dry my face. And guys, you know, I mentioned to you about that line I have down on my face. I'm not quite sure where it came from, but I will be taking care of that soon. Here I'm using the OZ Natural moisturizer that has retinol in it. It has, I think it has hyaluronic acid and all different kind of other extracts in it. But yeah, this is one of my favorite moisturizers, and I really wanted to moisturize my face, because you know how once you remove masks, sometimes some of them, when they detoxify, they kind of leave your skin a little bit dry but clean feeling. And I can say for this mask, first impression, it felt real good, and I like the way it applied to my skin. And my skin do look real bright and glowy. I'm not quite sure about if it's lifted or tightened my face. I don't really know. Just only one application. Well, this is the second application that I've done. So yeah, guys, I think it is a wonderful mask. And yes,